Hi, welcome back. In this video I'll share some design tips for your designs or artworks or anything that requires some designs in CorelDraw, a designing program. So let's say if you want to make an advertisement and you want to pick between digital advertisements, which are more prominent these days, or you want to stick with the printed advertisements shown on your papers, your leaflets, or maybe your any physical form. When you design in CorelDraw, there are some color modes called the RGB. So RGB stands for red, green, and blue. Technically, when you mix red light with green light, it will produce a brighter color, which is yellow. And then when you mix yellow with blue light, it will produce a brighter color, which is white. So technically, when you add each color of these gradually, these colored lights, it will gradually produce a brighter color. That's why the property of RGB is additive. It's usually used in digital advertisements because of how vibrant and brighter these colors are. Especially when it's shown on your screen, there are some brighter colors because your monitor, your phone, your TV, your computer monitor, they emit lights. So that's the conclusion of this RGB colors. You can actually have a look at the RGB palette by heading over to Window and then heading over to Color Palette, and then you head over to you head over to Palette. Then you can see this is RGB palette, this brighter one. CMYK, on the other hand, is this. It has some darker shades in the palette. So CMYK stands for cyan, a shade of light blue, magenta, a shade of pink, yellow, and key, which is a shade of black. So technically CMYK, these light blue, pink, yellow, and black colors are the main colors of the ink for your printers. So technically, when you mix ink with another ink with a shade with another shade of color, it will produce a darker color. And then when you mix it with other ink of a much different color, it will turn like dark. It will turn as black as this. This is not completely black, but it's still black though. And it's used to print your advertisements. It's used in printed advertisements in your on your leaflets, on your printed on your paper, or any physical forms of it. So when you change the color mode from RGB to CMYK, you will end up in this darker shade, because technically printed colors are relatively darker because of the ink properties, which is subtractive. That's why CMYK has this subtractive property. This is what you will be seeing on your paper advertisement, your physical and printed advertisements using CMYK colors, and this is what you're going to see on your screen as part of your digital advertisements. These colors are what you're going to be looking at on screen. So that's probably it about RGB and CMYK color mode. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I hope you can achieve the design that you want. But from me, it's good day. Ciao!